Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to be sharing with you that what is AWS Community Builder program, how you can become an AWS Community Builder and what are the benefits for it. Plus I will also be sharing with you that what are the swags and what are the other benefits that you will be getting later on in this video. But before going to the application side of it, that how you can apply for the AWS Community Builder program, let's take a look at what it is. So AWS Community Builder program is a program in which you will get the education resources, in which you will get an interaction with people around the world who are experts in AWS, and you will be contacting with them, interacting with them directly on the Slack channel, and you will also be getting the free credit on AWS through which you can use the AWS for free. Like they will give you some credits that I will be sharing on later on in this video, and you will also get some amazing swags. So this is the overall thing of AWS Community Builder program. And on the other side, what you need to do is to just share the content. The more content you share, the more the chances that you will get this opportunity. All right, so make sure to share the content of AWS services, and as a result you will get these benefits that I will be sharing with you later on in this video in explanation. So yeah, now let's take a look at what are the how you can apply for it. So if I open the browser, as you can see here, this is the website that I will be sharing with you, link in the description, so make sure to check this out. This is the AWS Community Builder program website, and this is the button that you need to click on in order to apply for this application. So make sure to apply for this application as soon as possible. Currently the date is 20th of January, so the last date for this application is 28th of January, so only 8 days are remaining. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. And if you are not aware that what is AWS Community Builder and what are the benefits and all the things that you need to know, is these are the things that are present in the program fakes, frequently asked questions, that you can check them out. So now let's take a look at the apply now button. And now what it will do, it will open a form for you in which you need to fulfill the details in it, and once you fulfill all the details in brief description, then you can submit those application. Like this is the current application window is open, and the last date for this is 28th of January 2024. And AWS Community Builder program is for technical users like older than 18, age 18 or older than that. And this is a 12 months program in which you need to create the content in the form of blogs, videos, webinars, tutorials, etc. And if you don't have a minimum of 2 community contributions in the last 12 months, your application will not be accepted. So make sure to at least do 2 minimum contributions so that you can get accepted. All right, social media and short form content won't be considered as contribution. Instead, you need to create a video content, blog post, webinar, etc. Those things will be considered as content. So yeah, and this is the application. So this is for the first timers, the people who are submitting it for the first time. But for people like me who have already passed this stage, like I have crossed 1 year, so my 1 year is passed, so I will be receiving the application in the upcoming month. So yeah, this is not the application for me. So yeah, I meet the requirements to apply for this program. So yeah, I will press next. Are you part of any of the AWS community programs? So I'm a part of this community program, but if this is your first time, you need to click on this. I'm not a part of any of these programs. So yeah, let's click on this because this is your first time. I'm just showing you. Are you an Amazon employee? So yeah, I'm not an Amazon employee. Are you an analyst? No, I'm not an analyst. And next. And you need to fulfill these details. So let's fulfill these details in order to show you that how this process will work. Bilal Khan. And once these details are fulfilled, you need to fulfill the company name in which you are working. So I'm not working for any company. I don't have any job title. So yeah, NA. Have you applied for this program? Have you applied to join this program before? No. If this is your first time, right? In what country do you reside? So I will write Pakistan. This is Pakistan. And yeah, press next. These are the 14 pages that you need to fulfill, right? So do you consider yourself a member of underrepresented demographic in technology? So no. we strive to create and maintain a diverse community within the AWS community program. How does your background bring a unique perspective to the program? So make sure to write a perspective so that they know about you, that what you can provide for them, to the community. So yeah, I will just write perspective because I just want to show you that how to fulfill because this is not a real application for me. I need to fulfill this application in the upcoming month. So yeah, I'm just fulfilling those for you. So next, and this is the category that you need to create the content for it. So my category was dev tool. You can select any category that you want, like the containers, data, cloud operations, etc. So the category that was assigned to me was dev tool. So you can select any category that you want to. Next, and please make sure to do the what you can say, mention the contributions in the past 12 months, like what are the contributions or the technical content that you have created. So blog post, speaking on the about AWS at public events, hosting, or what you can say, forum, Slack, Reddit, etc., contributing to open source project, sharing AWS insights on social media. So you can select any of these things, like I was sharing on monthly basis, weekly basis, so I will be sharing weekly basis, because every week I was sharing these details. And do you certify that the content links you are submitting for review contains your own work, or do not plagiarize text or images from other services? Yeah, I certify this because the content should not be what you can say, plagiarized. Instead, you should create the original content. So next, and they here you need to give the links of the contributions that you have done, like please share a minimum of 2 links to specific public example of content that you have created, like the presentations you have given, the community contributions, like the knowledge of your the knowledge that you have given about a specific topic that you need to give it. So I will share it like my YouTube channel, youtube.com/CodeRoamer. So this is just the example purpose that I'm going to share it. This is not a real application. So would you like to provide any example of something you have built with AWS? So it is optional, you can give it or not. Next, these are the optional links like Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, blog, GitHub, Twitter, etc. You can give it. These are optional, so if you want to, you can give them. It's preferred to give it because if this is your first time, by providing as much as information you provide, there are chances that you will be selected, right? So 11 pages. And did any AWS employee, hero, or community builder referred you? So in my case, I was in contact with someone who referred me as an AWS community builder, and plus I also created the 60 days of DevOps series, in which I created a section of AWS in which I created content around it. So make sure to ask from someone to refer you or create the content before applying for this program, because if they see the content that you have created, or if they see that someone from the AWS community builder or as AWS hero or AWS employee referred you, then the chances are that you will be selected. I also got the chance like this way. So next, now this is the program that will be eligible or participate in the AWS. You must be 18 years of age and old. So yeah, these are all the description and the information that you need to read in order to apply for this. And once you apply for this, you will click on the next button and submit the application. But this is not my application that I'm going to provide. Instead, this is the application that you need to fulfill in order to be selected. My application will be on the February month. So yeah, let's leave this. And again, now this is the overall application process that you need to fulfill it. So make sure to what you can say, submit this application as soon as possible without waiting for this last date. Yeah, the more you submit earlier, the more the chances that you will be selected. So now the next thing is that what are the benefits that you will get? So there are many benefits that you will get. The first benefit is that you will be getting the private Slack channel in which you will be interacting with amazing people around the world who are part of the AWS Community Builder program, and you will be interacting with them, you will be learning from them, you can ask questions from them. And the next benefit that you will get is the Cloud Academy 1 year free subscription, like in which you will get all the courses like AWS, Azure, GCP, Alibaba. These are the IT operations, DevOps, FinOps, data relevant skills, and AI, machine learning, software development, languages, etc. These are all the social medias, e-commerce, etc. that you will get. This is the 1 year free subscription that you will get it. And I have already I have been given this subscription for 1 year, and you can check out the courses here depending on your need, like on your job roles, or as your stage, whether you are intermediate, beginner, etc. You can check them, and you can what you can say, claim your certifications also, and you can prepare for your certification, hands-on labs, etc. So this is the second benefit. The third benefit is the credit that you will get, like you will get $500 credit on per year. And if in case if those $500 are utilized, you will also get $500 more again within the same year. So I have been provided this $500 and $50 after that when I participated in a competition, and they gave me $50 more, and I have used $7 amount of it. And with the help of these credits, you can create the content, like you will use these services, and by using those services you will learn from them, and you will also create the content around it. Plus the next thing that I'm going to share is the swags. Like these are some of the swags that I have gotten, like this is this is the mug that I have gotten as a swag. This is the cap that I got as an AWS community builder, and plus I also got these cables, like one cable with multiple cables like this. You can insert it in your mobile or devices. And plus I also got like bags, etc., that I shared with you in my previous video, that I will give the link of that video in the description. So make sure to check that video also, that how you can become an AWS community builder program and what are the swags that I got. So yeah, this is the overall thing that that AWS community builder program will provide you, and you just need to create the content by getting these things right, by creating content, by sharing them on social media, by writing blogs, webinars, tutorials. You will get all these benefits. And now the next thing is the tips, like what are the tips in order to apply for this. So the tips I have mentioned before also, that you need to create the content, you need to share those content even before applying for the AWS Community Builder program, because the AWS Community Builder program does not want you to just create the content when the times arrive of application submission. Instead, you just need to create the content even before applying. In my case, when I was applying for this, I was not even aware of it. I just created the 60 days of DevOps series, and as a result I got this opportunity. And I got referred for someone. I referred for someone, and he referred me, and then I got this opportunity. And make sure to share the certifications, the links of your contributions in the form also that I have shown with you, that how you can submit the form. And once you share those details, it will be easy for you to get selected. Otherwise, if you didn't give any kind of link, then the chances are less that you will be selected. So yeah, this is the overall summary of it. And now the next thing is that even though if you didn't select, like in case if you didn't get selected, so don't get discouraged. It's not you just it may be your contribute. If they didn't select you, it's not maybe your fault, or maybe your contributions are less. But in both of the cases, you just need to create more content and share as much as possible. The more content you create, the more the chances that you will be selected in the next year also. So make sure to apply every year. Even if you didn't get selected this year, chances are that you will get selected in the upcoming year. So in this 1 year, just create content around it. So yeah, That's it for now, and I hope you understood and liked this video. And if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.